All right, students. It's time for math.
No, 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 no. I hate math.
Stop yelling, Barry. Do you want to go to the principal's office?
No.
Then shut up. Okay, students. What is 80 plus 30?
No one cares.
Oh. That's it, Barry. Go take a break in the hallway.
Oh. Why did I get kicked out of the classroom? That's so dumb. I have to get revenge. I got a great idea. I'll pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. This is going to be so funny. There's the fire alarm. All I have to do is pull this little lever.
Everyone, evacuate the building.
Okay. Where's the fire?
In the school.
I don't see any smoke. Wait. Kid. What are you doing here? Ha 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 ha. When did you get here? Kid. Get outside now. It was a prank. What? You wasted our time on a fake emergency? You're going to jail. Wah, wah, wah. You will be here for about 2 months. Wah, wah, wah. Also, you have a visitor.
Oh. Barry. I can't believe you pulled the school fire alarm. When you get out of jail, you're so grounded.